So you guys, welcome back. Sorry guys, we were unable to do our live videos, so couldn't try and do the live presentation so you guys can see how this thing works exactly. So apparently it's supposed to be 3 minutes or 2 minutes to deadline. I'm hoping it's currently it should be about 3 minutes to deadline if our timing is alright. So basically, it works two ways, as we said earlier. You you should go to this website, virtual world. We'll try and do a video on that, yeah. Well, meanwhile, we're just here to claim these rewards first. So it's currently 3 minutes, 3 minutes 7 seconds. That's what it's saying. So it's supposed to be 1 p.m. West African time. So guys, this is the basics, guys. So for the newcomers, if you want to be getting if you want to be participating in airdrops like these NFT airdrops, you need to be accumulating your diamonds on a daily basis. You can see all these on this particular account. We have about 3,840 diamonds. 3,840 diamonds. So the thing is that you just be able to also with our background noise. We might have some background noise. I'm just currently trying out to do this video so everyone can get a hold of these how it works and all that. I'll try as much as possible to drop a live video too. I've seen lots of requests on how to claim these NFTs. With some of them, their steps are usually here. It says you go to nftb.io. That's where you get the rewards for those people that claim the last one. I think that's for Lucky Lion. I think you should be able to sell it there too. So that's how it works. So okay, currently I have less than a minute. I'm going to just refresh guys, because most times this timer is not really as accurate as you should be. So I'm going to refresh. It's saying 1 minute 23 seconds. Well, by the time we refresh, you should be time yet. You should have a good network. So long you have a good network, you should be able to get these diamond rewards, and also still but we are that much, so hopefully we're not going to get network glitches from this one, because the rewards are much. So apparently, let's see how this goes. So currently I have 32 seconds as of recording. It says 32 seconds. I hope this 30 seconds okay. So currently I have 20 seconds. I think this thing has kicked off already. I'm going to refresh one last time, and then by the time we refresh again, this thing should be ready. So you just click on claim. I think that's the basic. Click on claim, and there's no additional requirements most times. So wishing you guys success. So those that actually claim this, kindly let us know so others can get 1 or 2 infos from from you. Can just drop how you did yours, or drop 1 or 2 steps. Okay, you said it's started already. 19,000 gone already. So click on redeem and you're good to go. So I just clicked on redeem, guys. So you should be refreshing. So I just clicked on redeem. Click on yes, 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 authorize, yes, yes, yes. That's it, guys. Click on redeem. Should be able to redeem, because okay, that's it. Now this high traffic of a thing. I hope this thing we're able to get this. So they are currently having high traffic, guys. So I'm going to try and pause this video and just try all I can to claim this, because these are apparently $20. So guys, it's like we're going to have to try again. This network of a thing, I think is the traffic share. Apparently most times these giveaways, traffic is usually really annoying, guys. It's annoying. So we're still talking to the team to see how far we can mitigate issues like this. So the site can be accessible when it comes to rewards like this. These are traffic of it usually as annoying as it's not supposed to be. Currently I have about $500,000 rewards here that is being given away, and it's currently unfair. If you have the diamonds capable of taking these, but you are not able to redeem diamonds, are just only diamonds, and it's currently annoying. So refreshing. So you guys, seems we're still having same stuff. If you can see my screen here, we currently have the rewards are currently at 16,000. So that's why you see if it's 3,500 rewards, they're usually out in minutes, less than 10 minutes or 5 minutes. These rewards are usually being exhausted. So we're gonna keep trying. But I clicked just now. It told me that told me that there's high traffic. So it didn't put through. So we're gonna click again. Same network error. If you can see on my screen, we're still showing popping this network error, and these things are usually very annoying, guys. Very annoying. So you guys, we're currently going to try out the app. Currently you can see it's already 8,500 out of 20,000. So most times the app could be easier for you to access this airdrop, as I talk sometimes. So let's see how far. Okay, we're still getting the same issues. Seems there might not be any hope for us today. So we'll just keep trying. You can let us know in the comment section if you're lucky enough to get this NFT. So guys, we're going to continue this video. Maybe I'm going to try and see if eventually we finally claim it. Maybe we'll do a live video do another video for how to claim it on the by following the steps here. I've dropped the link in the other video. So but we're currently having issues with claiming now, but we're still going to be trying till this thing gets over. It's about 6,000 remaining. But if I refresh, I think it's going to be lesser than this, but the network error is much, guys. So you just keep trying them times like this. Keep trying, make sure you have a good network, and hopefully I think that should be the basis of you, Sha. But if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. You can drop your feedback too in the comment section. CMC team, they'll be going through them, so you want to let them know how you feel, and you want to let them know anything possible. So guys, thanks for watching YouTube Akahilz, and see you in our future upload, and stay safe.